Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I want to walk you through the 3 main things you need to do to grow and scale your carpet cleaning business in 2022 and beyond. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams. I'm the owner and founder of a company called AGB, and we specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot guaranteed. Over the last 12 months, we've spent over $2 million advertising carpet cleaners like yourselves, so we really know what works, what converts, and we've worked with literally hundreds and hundreds of you guys the world over, continue to do so to this day. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through this YouTube channel and the content we're putting out here, or whether that's through working with carpet cleaning businesses like yourself one-on-one through our specialist program. Number 2 on the list of things that you can do to take your carpet cleaning business to that next level in 2022 is owned media and owned data, and marketing to and advertising to owned media and owned data. What does that mean? What is owned media? Owned media, for example, is an email list that you own, and you may have collected those emails through advertising. Maybe on your website you have like a form that people fill in that captures their information if they make an inquiry. Maybe it's, the contact details of your current customers, people that have scheduled with you in the past, things like that. And the great thing about owned media is you own it, so you don't have to pay for it. It doesn't belong to Google or Facebook or Home Advisor or Groupon or any of these people. It's your information. You don't need to pay for it, and you can do whatever you want with it. For example, you can send out an email every week or a text blast every couple of months, and it's free for you to do that. That's free advertising. It doesn't really, other than maybe the software subscription for the email blast software or the cost of sending a text message, outside of that, it's essentially completely free of charge for you to market to these people. So it's free advertising, it's free business with a virtually zero cost of acquisition. So again, this is something that we do for the carpet cleaners that work with us one-on-one. What we do is, number 1, when you first sign up with us, we get your database, we get your list, we get your owned media, and we send a text to every single person on that list. And we say, hey, it's been a little while since you scheduled with us. Just wanted to check in again to see if you need any help or if you've got any needs to get your carpets cleaned or tile and grout or whatever. If you do, text us back. We'll get you on the schedule. We've got some awesome specials right now. If not, no worries. I'll touch base with you again in a couple of months. Have a great day. Just in doing that, if you've got a couple of hundred people in your database, that could immediately generate you, just from sending out that one text, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars worth of business. And then on top of that, the other thing that we do as well is monthly to that owned media. Every month we send out an email campaign with the latest specials, the latest offers. And by simply getting back in front of people that are already on your list on a regular basis, that can continually and consistently generate you jobs for your carpet cleaning business, because it could be that you send an email or a text to a bunch of customers, and there'll be a portion that need your business at that time, and maybe forgot that, in that headspace of, I need to get my carpets cleaned. And then they suddenly, magically, they get that email or that text, and they think, oh great, actually, yeah, I used these guys before, they were good, and it's a simple and an easy win. But then there might be a bunch of people on your list that aren't ready at that time to get their carpets cleaned, because you're messaging them and texting them, not to the point where it's intrusive, like I'm talking an email once a month, a text once every 2 or 3 months, because you're staying in front of these people 2 or 3 months down the line when they are ready, boom, there you are, and now you're getting those people on the list scheduled in as well. So owned media, the data, the contact details that you already own, is another great way to grow, scale your carpet cleaning business in 2022 and beyond. One of the key things that you should always be doing is growing your owned media, your owned contact list. You should constantly be cultivating that. That's a source of repeat business. That's a source of lifelong customers. That's a source that you can market to where you do not have to spend a dime on paid ads. So how do we cultivate and grow an owned media list? Number 1, on your website, stick a form on there that captures people's details. So if they want to make an inquiry, they have to punch in their name, phone number, email, opt in to obviously receive updates. And that's a very easy way for you to grow that owned media, right? That owned contact list, especially if you're running Google ads and traffic to your website or to a landing page and people are filling in those details, yes, you're paying to acquire that data, but once you've paid for it, at that point, then it becomes owned media, becomes yours, and you never have to pay for that data again. Some kind of form on your website can be huge. And then again, when your team or you are speaking to people on the phone or via text or via messenger, you want to be capturing people's details. I talked earlier in this video about how we created an app, if you like, a chatbot that talks to the customers on autopilot and makes it super easy and convenient for people to request a booking and quote in Messenger. When people go through that process, it captures their email address and it captures their phone number. So even though we're driving traffic to it through Facebook ads, once we've got that person's details, then it becomes owned media. It becomes media that we can then market to in the future for free. Again, if you're using a messenger system or if you're thinking about that, capturing their details in Messenger, even if you're talking to people manually in Messenger, right? Like, hey, how much is 4 rooms in a hallway? Hey, Linda, if you could just give me your name and give you an email, phone number, so I can put this quote together properly, I'll send that over to you ASAP. And you can send it over to them, man. And now you've got their details and now you've got another piece of owned media. If you're talking to people on the phone, people are calling you, hey, how much is 5 rooms, a staircase and a 3-piece suite sofa and a love seat? Hey, Mark, listen, if I could just get your name and your email and your phone number, I'll get someone to put that quote to you and we'll get it over to you ASAP today, or I'll get it over to you in the next few minutes. Sound cool? Great. You've now captured their details. Maybe at that particular time, they're going to be like, oh, you know what, it's a bit pricey, not for me. But you've now got their details. You can then start to market to them, right? For free through email and text and stuff like that. And maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 months down the line, that person that you acquired just through the phone, maybe they are in a position, maybe they do want to book, and you've turned that owned media then into a paying customer. And you do a great job, great service, great customer experience, like we talked about before. Referral scheme, you turn that person into a lifelong customer that talks about you, that generates you more business. You've got that referral scheme in place, boom, boom, boom. You can see where I'm going here, right? So that's the second thing, owned media, owned contact lists, and how to generate and cultivate those lists. So that's the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you would like to find out more about working with us, hit the link in the description below. We'd love to chat to you and see if we can help you to take your carpet cleaning business to that next level. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well so that you get all the updates when the next set of videos comes out. See you on the next one. Peace.